to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're back for another video, then you are in for a treat, because today I am going to be vlogging. I'm going to take you guys with me on this trip. I am officially contracted into my next travel assignment. It is going to be my 7th travel assignment. I cannot believe I am saying this out loud. Number 7. And I'm going to be working in Atlanta, and I'll give you guys more details about my next travel assignment. But the goal for today is we are going to find me a whole apartment. Okay, today the goal is to find me a whole apartment. And I got a couple places that I looked up prior to coming here. I have them on my list, and I'm hoping to see them and make a final decision today. So first things first, I got my Starbucks. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So yes, because I cannot function without some coffee. So I'm gonna drink my Starbucks. I'm gonna sip it as we go throughout the day, and hopefully by the end of the day we're able to find me a whole apartment. So I am so happy to be taking you guys on this journey with me. So keep watching. Oh my god, it's hot. It's really hot. I did not expect that. I think I could sue or something. Just kidding. I love them. All right, so where are we going first? I have no idea. I need to actually take my phone off this stand so I can look it up.